Thank God I have a lot of aloe vera here in my house. So I will try to make my own hand sanitizer. I went to the store and there's no hand sanitizer. So I see some in the YouTube on how to do it. So I will try my own. Okay, I'm just making my own DIY hand sanitizer. I'm using a 70% alcohol and a fresh aloe vera. I struck already. So I use 1/3 of a cup for the extract aloe vera, and now I'm using a 2/3 of alcohol and an essential oil, just for if you want just something to have a smell. Okay, so this is our DIY hand sanitizer. Thank you. Okay, this is my final DIY hand sanitizer. It's all done and I made all this, so we'll see.